In Snowy Mountain, Dibby the bison loved to play. His fur, white as snow, sparkled in the sun. Every morning he greeted the day with a joyful dance, spreading happiness across the mountain. Dibby's laughter echoed through the hills. He invited friends for fun adventures, sliding down snowy slopes and playing hide and seek among the trees, filling the air with joy and laughter. One evening, a wise owl told Dibby, "Your joy is a treasure." Dibby realized his happiness wasn't just for him, but a gift to share, lighting up the mountain with smiles and cheer. Dibby's joy became a legend. Animals from everywhere joined his playful dances, celebrating the joy of life together. Snowy Mountain was a place of happiness, thanks to Dibby's heartwarming spirit.